the early flying little bird. In a quiet forest, many clever birds lived. They flew high and fast, but one little bird was clumsy. It flew slowly and was often laughed at. The little bird felt sad but didn't give up. It thought, even if I fly slowly, I can start earlier. So while other birds rested in nests, it practiced. Every day, rain or wind, it kept trying. Day after day, its flying skills improved. It flew higher and farther. The proud birds who laughed before stopped practicing. One day, the forest held a flying race. All birds joined, including the little one. The race began. Fast birds rushed ahead, but the little bird flapped hard. At last, it flew higher and farther than anyone else and won. All birds were surprised. From then on, they knew hard work and practice are more important than talent.